friend. I'm your friend Sudhir Maiti once again in front of you, coming up with a new topic, how anyone can maintain the work-life balance. This question is very tricky, and find out the solution for this question also it's really difficult. But somehow we have to maintain our work and life together. How you can do that? Initial days, I'm telling my story to you. I woke up morning 7 a.m. and after that I start to do my daily routine, like a jogging, then breakfast, then start my office work. But I found that I couldn't get a personal time, or might be my self-development time, through which I can improve myself. Or else I can't give time to my family as well. So what I did very recently, last few months onwards, I have changed my routine. Regular basis, I wake up morning the 4:30. I start my day with meditation. And when you do the meditation, automatically you can control your anxiety. And afterwards, down the line, I used to do the giver's rule. What do you mean by that givers? G means gratitude, I means imagination, V means visualization, E means exercise, R is reading, and S means keep playing. Regular basis, write down your goal, what you want to do, and write down your task, personal development task, what you want to do. And out of those tasks, you do the prioritize the task which you need to finish it up by hook or crook for that particular day. You can't concentrate on the each and every task whatever you have written. So that way you can manage the personal development activity. And after that, my day starts around the morning the 5 o'clock. It's the giver's rule, everything finished by the 6:30. After that, I have plenty of time in my hand. I went for the jogging, coming back from the jogging, spent some time with my family, half an hour. That way, my day starts, and afterwards, I can start my office work from the 9 o'clock onwards. So that way, I can bifurcate my office work as well as my daily, the self-development activity, my family time, all those activities. You can manage that way. After getting to the office, you won't get a time, your family or might be your self-development activity. During that time, you have to keep full concentration on the office work, because you are working for the organization and company pay to you. You have to think on that way, and as company is paying to you, so definitely you have to serve the company in proper way. So, but the thing is that always our time frame in the office is the 9 hours. But you need to find it out how effectively you are utilizing your 9 hours time at the office. In my past experience, I am telling you, most of the people out of this 9 hours, effectively, if you ask me, 7 hours they are working. 2 hours is a normal tea time and might be some other activity, and the lunch time, everything. The 2 hours is gone like that way. That's the reason, to cover up that 2 hours, you have to stay extra 2 hours in the office. I know that, because if you stay another 2 hours, so you will say you have extended your time frame in the office. But actually, if you see how many hours you have worked for the company, exactly the 9 hours only. Might be the 1 hour plus or minus you are doing the work. That always acceptable. And you create your own boundaries. Till what time you will do the work, and you plan all the activity for today. What are the prioritized activity you need to finish it off? That you need to ensure that all the activities should finish within that particular time frame. So other than that, it will be really difficult for you to manage the work-life balance. So if you follow this particular practice, you should do some kind of the change in your habit. I feel that you can at least, not 100% I would say, at least you can spend some time for yourself, some time for your family, and you can maintain your office work as well. If If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the update. You can note down my mail ID sudeep.maiti@gmail.com, which is written below. In the business hours, or drop me a message through WhatsApp. I can call back to you based on my suitable time. My mission is that impact to 1 million youth within the age group of the 20 to 30 years of age in terms of personal as well as the professional growth, pertaining to self-discipline, improve the communication skills and self-confident to become a great leader for the nation. Thank you for watching me. I will come back with other topic in next week. Bye. Have a good day.